Hi, I'm Karen Peterson and I own the website 365daysofcrockpot.com, where I share Instant Pot and slow cooker recipes with you for every day of the year. I just wanted to check in with you guys today and let you know how excited I am about my new cookbook that just came out. And I wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and hope that you are having a wonderful season in this crazy, unusual year. If you're interested, I just want to show you a couple things about the cookbook so that you can see the inside and decide if you want to order one. And I will be giving one away to one of you. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is leave a comment below on what your favorite Instant Pot recipe is from my website, and you will be entered to win one of these cookbooks. I'll be giving it away next week. The first thing that I wanted to point out with this cookbook is the awesome spiral binding. It's really sturdy, and because this book is so thick, it's over 500 pages long, it's just really nice because you can open it up to a recipe and it will lay flat as you're cooking. The second thing that I wanted to point out to you is these little QR codes that are in each of the recipes. And these are so fun because they open up the recipe on my website. And so if you have a question on nutrition info, or if it doesn't have a picture, you can open the QR code and it will open the recipe on my website, and it will show you pictures, and it will also show you any reviews, things that people have to say about it, and just give you a better idea of what the recipe is going to look like. Like I said, this cookbook is pretty large. It has over 365 different Instant Pot dinner recipes, plus there's some side dishes, there's some appetizers, and a few other things like that too. Each of the sections you can see is in a different color. So when you come to the side of the binding of the book here, you can see, okay, where is the chicken? The chicken is in this color, or you know, the beef's in that color, whatever it might be. It makes it easy to navigate. You can also buy this cookbook on Kindle if you like ebooks. You can go to Amazon and just type in the name of the cookbook, which is the 365 Days of Pressure Cooking Cookbook. That's me, Karen Peterson, and you will find it on there for $9.99. I will put the link in the notes below if you'd like to order this, the hard copy version. You can order it off of my website. So I will put the link to that in the notes below. And I am signing all of the copies of the cookbook that I send out. And I just wanted to read this to you guys. To my blog readers, you are fun, funny, helpful, and forgiving. You trust me with your dinner. I appreciate that. Thanks for following along and being part of the 365 Days family. And I definitely, truly mean that. I am so grateful for you for following along with my Instant Pot stuff here on YouTube and on my blog. I really appreciate this past year. It's been really amazing for me to see how many people are cooking at home, and that makes me so happy that they're trying out their appliances that they've, you know, maybe had in their garage for months and finally got courage to try it. I'm grateful that I can be part of that journey in some small way. So thanks again, and I hope you will enter the giveaway by making a comment below on what recipe you love from my website. Thanks, and we'll see you in 2021.